Next.js is a powerful React framework that simplifies building fast, SEO-friendly and scalable web applications. Developed by Vercel, it introduces server-side rendering, static site generation, and other performance optimizations. This hybrid rendering approach allows seamless switching between server-side rendering and static site generation. With Next.js, developers can focus on building application logic and user interfaces without complex configurations. The framework provides an intuitive file-based routing system, automatic code splitting, and built-in support for serverless functions. Whether it's a blog, e-commerce platform, or high-performance web app, Next.js streamlines development and enhances user experiences. One standout feature of Next.js is its hybrid rendering capabilities. Developers can choose between server-side rendering, static site generation, or a combination based on their application's needs. Next.js simplifies routing with its intuitive file-based system, eliminating complex configurations. Creating a file named about.js inside the page's directory automatically creates and /about root. Another powerful feature is built-in support for API routes, allowing easy creation of serverless functions. These functions can fetch data from external APIs, interact with databases, or perform server-side logic. The seamless integration of API routes simplifies back-end development, enabling full-stack applications with ease. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Let's dive into practical examples to illustrate how Next.js works. Imagine building a blog using Next.js with the main page represented by pages index.js. Inside this file, you define a React component that fetches and renders blog posts dynamically. Next.js handles dynamic routes, allowing pages with URLs that change based on user input or data. For instance, creating a file named id.js within the page's post directory maps the parameter to the blog post ID. Data fetching is crucial, and Next.js provides methods like getStaticProps for build time data and getServerSide props for request time data. Styling is flexible with options like global CSS, CSS modules, or CSS in JS libraries like styled components. Next.js integrates seamlessly with these options, giving you the freedom to style your application as you prefer. Setting up a new Next.js project is easy with the intuitive command line interface. Bootstrap a new project with a single command npx create next app. This creates a pre-configured project with all necessary dependencies. During development, fast refresh speeds up the process by instantly reflecting code changes in the browser. This near-instant feedback loop makes development more enjoyable and productive. For deployment, Vercel provides a seamless platform optimized for performance and scalability. With features like serverless functions, edge caching, and automatic SSL encryption, Vercel is ideal for hosting Next.js applications. Next.js offers significant performance improvements for web applications. Server-side rendering delivers initial content quickly, reducing perceived loading time. Automatic code splitting optimizes JavaScript bundle loading. Built-in optimization techniques like image and font optimization enhance user experience. Next.js excels in SEO with server-side rendering, providing fully rendered HTML for search engines. Its versatility makes it ideal for content-heavy websites, e-commerce platforms, and more. The focus on performance and SEO makes Next.js a top choice for modern web development projects. Next.js is a powerful framework for building high-performance React applications. Its features, including hybrid rendering, file-based routing, and API routes, simplify development and enhance user experiences. The performance benefits and SEO advantages make it a compelling choice for various projects. Explore Next.js to level up your React skills and build the next generation of web applications. The official documentation and vibrant community provide ample resources and support for your journey.